Hi traders, big news. The Hameral order flow. ProPack just got a major update. More functions, better performance, and smarter alerts across your order flow toolkit. Here's what's new and why it matters for your trading. Delta profile is now more versatile. Place it left or right, choose bid/ask on the same or opposite sides, set width and edge offset, show numeric values and style positive versus negative delta for instant read. Price. Grouping lets you display delta per tick or in buckets, for example 20 ticks, to reveal the bigger picture and underlying structure. You can use multiple time settings to match your strategy. Fixed time frame, custom sessions like the New York session, or rolling windows such as the last 60 minutes or 10 minutes. Why does delta profile matter? Delta profile exposes the total delta at each price, helping you spot large order clusters and read how price reacts when it retests those zones. Need delta for a specific move on the chart from point A to point B? No problem. Anchored volume profile now includes a delta display mode. You can also choose between standard volume profile, buy-sell volume profile, and combined volume profile with delta profile. You can extend levels like VAL, VAH, and POC to the current candle to have access to key levels even when the price developed for a while. Another new option is to anchor the histogram from a starting point and auto-extend forward until the current candle. It will be recalculated as each new candle closes, similar to anchored VWAP. Why does it matter? It gives you a live, precise read of where volume and delta concentrated within a move, so you can judge retests and continuation versus reversal with more confidence. Footprint now uses an improved method for historical calculation, giving you a more accurate way to validate ideas on past data. Alongside the personal Telegram alert bot and absorption or imbalance detection. Great for mapping support and resistance. You can fully customize colors and save them to match your chart templates. Why does it matter? Cleaner history and customizable visuals help you trust your reading and keep your execution consistent. Here we see price reacting right from an auto-plotted absorption zone, clean rejection, and a strong follow-through. Volume profile is now even more complex. You can now pick custom time bases for building your volume profile. Fixed time frame, custom sessions, where you can choose start and end time, or custom periods like 10 or 45 minutes. It is easier now to display multiple profiles on the same chart. For example, ETH and RTH profiles to spot confluence at major levels. Even so, we recommend keeping it to 2 for performance and clarity. You can also extend a separate number of previous VAL and VAH or POC lines. We all know how powerful these levels are. Stacked confluences turn into genuinely valuable support and resistance areas. For example, here we plotted 10 prior POCS and 7 VAL/VAHS. Look how cleanly the price reacts at the overlaps. VWAP now supports multiple calculation methods. HLC3, median, high, low, and OHLC4. It also features dynamic coloring. The VWAP line auto-colors as it trends up or down, so you can read bias at a glance. Why does it matter? You can align VWAP with your methodology and see shifts in bias faster. Cumulative Delta got a big upgrade. You can display either the session Cumulative Delta or bar by bar delta. You can also show divergences instantly on the chart, which can highlight potential turning points in key areas. There are 2 divergence types: fixed, later, confirmed signal, and provisional, earlier, anticipatory signal. Last but not least, Super Oscillator Pro now includes divergence detection. We already know it's a strong tool for ranging conditions. Combined with the dot alert for overbought or oversold and momentum shifts, divergences give you early context for potential turning points, especially around key zones. Why does it matter? Faster recognition of momentum fading supports better timing and risk control. This update moves the Pro Pack closer to our goal, one of the most complete order flow toolkits for NinjaTrader, while keeping pro-level analysis accessible. If there's a feature you still need, tell us. We're listening and iterating. Update now, put these features to work, and share your favorite settings with the community. Trade well, and I'll see you in the next one. Want the PRO pack? Get it at hameral.com. And one more thing. To celebrate this update, we're launching a flash sale. Get 30% off the Pro Pack for the next 48 hours only. Just use code HAMPRO30 at checkout. Upgrade smart before the timer runs out.